Hello guys, from today onwards I'm going to start a SQL series based on top 50 questions on LeetCode. As you can see, this is a LeetCode platform for top 50 questions which are given here. As you can see, these questions based on select statement, basic joins, then basic aggregate functions, sorting and grouping based, and then advanced select and joins and subqueries based. So there's also some advanced questions being given here that you can refer or solve them to get some advanced techniques to solve the problems and crack your interview. Okay, so let's move on to the first question. I have already opened the browser in the next tab. Here you can see we are being given a table named product. The product table is being given to us, in which you are given the column name and the type. Okay, column names are product id, low fat, and recyclable, and their corresponding types are also being given here. Now you can see the product id, which is the primary key. As it is a primary key, so it will be having unique values with the columns, and there will not be having the null values. There are two conditions for the primary key. You must always remember that the first condition is it is a column for the unique values. There can't be null values. Why unique values? Because this is important to make distinction between the products. Okay, for the table, low fats is an enum. What is an enum? So enum is a data type having a string based, which is category of type y and n, where y means this is the product is of low fat and n means it is not. Recyclable is also a enum type. Okay, with the values y and n, where y means the product is recyclable and n means it is not. So let's move to the solution part. Okay, yeah, so let me zoom it out. So okay, so firstly we are going to select the table. Select the table. To find the product IDs, we need to find the product IDs that are both low fat and recyclable. Return the result in any order, and you can also see that the input should look like this. The products table, product ID, low fat and recyclable, and the corresponding value should be given like this. And the for the values output for the value should be product ID and this. Okay, so we need to select what? We need to select the product ID. We need to select the product ID from the name of the table. What is the table? Products. Okay, and we need to apply the condition that the product should be low fat and recyclable. So where now low fat. So low fat, for the column low fat, we need to write low fats is equal to, as it is of enum type, low fat. For the product to be low fat, we need to write y. Okay, so low fat should be y, as it should be recyclable. And as we want both